Today on Cassidys Craveable Creations, we're making a warm, comforting, and creamy Whole30 low-carb taco soup. So this taco soup is hearty, it's full of flavor, and it only takes 30 minutes to make. Then top it with fresh cilantro, avocado, and lime juice, and it makes a delicious spin for your traditional Taco Tuesday. So today we're going to be making this low-carb taco soup in an Instant Pot, but I also have instructions on how to make it on the stovetop if you prefer in the recipe card, and I'll have the link to the recipe card in the description below. So we're just going to start by heating some oil in the Instant Pot on saute. And we're going to saute a green bell pepper and an onion. Now we'll just brown the beef and break it up with a wooden spoon as it cooks. Now that the beef is browned, we're just going to add all the remaining ingredients except the cream. We have beef broth, chili powder, dill, garlic powder, sea salt, onion powder, dried oregano, cumin, paprika, and minced garlic, green chilies, and diced tomatoes. Now we'll just put the lid on, change the valve to sealing, and cook it on high pressure for 10 minutes. Once your Instant Pot is done cooking, all you'll do is switch the vent from venting to sealing to let out the steam and then take the lid off. Now to make it nice and creamy, we're gonna pour in a little bit of heavy cream, or if you're doing a Whole30 or you're dairy-free, you can use coconut cream. So this keto taco soup is not only super easy to make, as you just saw, but it's also creamy, comforting, and warms you from the inside out. I really hope you get a chance to make this recipe. If you make it, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And also, if keto recipes are your thing, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.